What's good, YouTube? It's your boy carpedmg coming at you with another banger. Today, we're going to review the LV Easy Mule from Louis Vuitton. Thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all for tuning in to my last video. We did a nice haul. If you didn't catch that, go ahead and revisit it. But today, we're going to go ahead and review these mules. Like, subscribe, comment. Really appreciate you all support. We're getting this thing off the ground running. And I definitely want to be more consistent with the content for you all. So, the LV Easy Mule from Louis Vuitton. Man, these things are beautiful. Not gonna lie to you. As you know, I love my slides, mules, clogs, whatever you call it. Go back to my previous videos. Check me out. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. But so I had a pair of Gucci slides or mules, if you will, and these are just killing them out the water. Not gonna lie. The Gucci ones were more so for like spring, summertime, day party, cooling. You could wear them out at night, but they're so thin, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of more of like almost like a beach party shoe, you know what I mean? Things of that nature. But these right here, these can be worn all year round. Like check out the sole, the thickness of the sole, the quality of this tumbled canvas Louis Vuitton print. You can also make this tighter or looser. I wore them one time already and I didn't realize that you can do that. I didn't know this was actually functional, this buckle right here, but it was very tight on my foot. I'm like, man, these are cool, but they so tight on my foot. So I ended up loosening up a bit and man, they fit so much better. And I can tell that this leather insole right here is going to break in. So once I wear these several more times, because I think these are going to be a staple for me this upcoming year, because again, it's the comfort. It's the comfort for your boy. You know what I mean? I am an OG cozy boy. And these right here, these are cozy men slides right here. These are cozy men clogs right here, if you get what I'm saying. Like these are not to be played with. The price of these are a bit steep, not gonna lie. $1,050 on the LV site. But man, I've been eyeing these for 2 years. And honestly, the ones that I looked at was the all black pair. So it was the all black monogram LV print. And the ones that came out before this were brown, but it had brown stitching, which is not bad. But the black stitching is just so much cleaner to me. Like, I feel like you can wear this with an all black fit. You can wear this with a brown fit. You can pair these with blue jeans, khakis. Like it's so essential to invest in quality pieces, y'all. And y'all know me. I'll rock these with a Walmart fit. It don't matter to me. You know what I mean? I'll pair high and low all the time. So, man, these they knock these out the park. I'm not gonna lie. And I haven't seen anybody else really talk about them. So that's what surprised me. But y'all know your boy. I don't really mess with following the wave. I am the wave. You feel what I'm saying? So if I had to rate these, man, on a scale of 1 to 10, I think I have to go with a 9.5. Like these boys right here are going to get so many wears. Y'all going to be sick of me. I ain't going to lie. It's the comfort, but y'all going to be sick of me. Like Louis Vuitton Don, what's up? I'm here. What up? Holla at your boy. We doing this thing. Yeah. Nah, but seriously, big fellas, tap in. They go up to a 12 LV size, which is a 13 US. That's the size I got. Man, quality shoe. So thank you all for watching the review. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all think about these. Again, I think they're a slam dunk, worth the investment. Let's get right.